Hi friend, welcome my channel Digital Remote Sensing. Today my topic how to overlay analysis by ArcGIS software, particularly Union. Open the ArcMap, open the data. So there is the shape file. There is the shape file of the Purbo Midnapur. So in this color and Union. So at first catalog to file folder, right click and new to save file. So there is the Groveland and there is this polygon unknown coordinate system. This is the coordinate system WGS, CGS, WGS 84 and OK. There is this Groveland and next there is the Fairland. Polygon coordinate system, geographic coordinate system to world to WGS 84 and OK. So there is the two shape file and next step there is the edit, start editing. So at first Groveland, so there is this Groveland. Next start editing, there is the Fairland. So there is this Fairland. There is this not a overlay but not a layer create this portion. Overwrite this portion. So next step there is the Union. Go to Art Catalog, Windows, and next Analysis tool to overlay to Union. So input features here. At first input the Groveland and next there is this Fairland. Rank this to there is the 2 Groveland and rank 1. Output file name Union and environmental workplace on this. So complete this union. So there is this portion different to length and zero length. There is this common boundary of these two portions. So there is this called union. So open attribute table to add field name. So start editing. A B A B. So go to properties. Label features in this layer. Define the class of features and label each class differently. Name, label field, there is the name, size 14 and bold. This color change and apply. So there is the A, B and common to portion A or B. There is this called union. Change this color 3%. Symbology, unique value, add all value. So change this. So mistake this step. Open the and value field. There is this name. Add or value. So there is the different three colors. So there is this name, rename here, and apply. Okay. There is three different color of this portion. Label. In this red to black. There is the A, B, B, and there is the next. There is the layout, layout view, and intersect title union. And symbol. Name is name, text, not the row. In this color. So there is the not the row, and next there is this scale bar. number of deviation and number of class, subdivision 2, and deviation by kilometer, label position after below. Above below center, and there is this label km, change symbol, so there is this scale. And next there is the legend, name legend and search color. Next there is this border, background, and drop shadow, and gap and rounding. So there is this legend of this person. Next there is this grid, new region, the graticules divided from the material. Next labels only, the 1 minute, minor deviation, arctic properties. So there is this label, vertical, labial axis, top, left, bottom, and right. So format degree, minute, second, and vertical level left and right. Okay, apply. So there is this latitude, longitude, this map. So there is this complete of this map layout or map composition. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel.